Hello, this is Ankit Agrawal, an alumni from IIT Kanpur and one of the co-founder of PrepLeaf. Today in this video, we'll talk about PrepLeaf Placement Preparation Program, P4. The website is www.prepleaf.com/P4. In this, we have with us the placement preparation courses. So here we have divided the courses into 4 parts. So first is assess. Assess basically means where do you want to see yourself 5 years down the line. So it's a career guidance where we'll tell you the different scopes of different type of field. Like we'll talk about analytics, we'll talk about finance, we talk about consulting, IT field. So its first course is career guidance. Second is prepare. Here we'll talk about gaining skills. It's all about skill. We'll teach you all different kind of skills. So there are some courses, skill-based courses in this prepare segment. Third is apply. Let the employer know that you are the right candidate for him. In this, we'll talk about resume building, the other things. And the last one is deliver. Deliver is like the final mock. You have to be interview ready, mock preparation, and everything. So let's go into each other segment. So here the first is assess. In assess, we have career guidance for you. Then we talk about prepare. In prepare, we have consulting course like guesstimate and case study. Then we have data analytics, aptitude and reasoning course, which is a backbone for a lot of company, including the risk, finance, IT, and some of the consulting firms. Then we have finance, fundamental analysis and valuation of derivative and trading strategy. Then we have data science and machine learning courses. Then we have digital marketing and UX design. This is all in the skill courses that we have prepare courses. Then apply. Apply is like presenting yourself. It's like CV building. You have to prepare your CV. We have CV building course and we have LinkedIn. You have to have a very strong LinkedIn account in case you are applying offline, off campus. Then at the end we have deliver. In deliver we'll talk about mock interviews. So all these courses are available in the website. You can take any of these courses or as a combination of multiple courses. So let us talk about how different we are when we are offering these courses. First is the instructor. The instructor who will be taking these courses will be a professional, working professional in the same field. Suppose you are talking about analytics course. The person who is teaching you the analytics has been passed through same placement interview processes, test processes, different technical rounds, which you are going to face in the near future. So you will be taught by those person who has already passed to whatever you are going to pass in the next few months. Secondly, the personal mentorship. It's not like a course that we have given you the complete video lecture assignment, we have to practice every day. The instructor will be continuous monitoring you, continuously talking with you regarding all the other things. They will be giving the assignment, grading the assignment. There is no automatic grading. Your instructor will give you the personal feedback that how you are doing the course. There is someone, you can talk to someone who is there to listen your queries and who can talk to you regarding the complete course, complete learning. So you are not joining any course, you are joining the institution PrepLeaf. The third one is monitoring. So suppose you have taken analytics course and you want to talk about something related to finance. So we have a team, we have a complete team of IIT and IIM alumni. There will be a person whom you can talk about all the other things, whether how you are preparing for the placements, which company are you targeting, are you the correct fit for the companies. So once you join any of the course in the PrepLeaf, you are joining the PrepLeaf, not that particular course. So we are here, we will be always there for you to answer every your queries. So just to take any courses or to view in detail, like after going to website, you can see the detail of every courses. So if you go to view detail, like this is about finance course. So you can see this is the complete detail of the finance course, and this course will be taken by someone who is very strong in this field. So let's visit this website and let me know in case you have any query. Please comment on the comment box in case you have any query. Thank you.